As the spectre of a broader regional conflict hangs over West Asia, following Iran's unprecedented launch of explosive drones and missiles at Israel late on Saturday, Iranians in the capital city of Tehran celebrated with cheers and fireworks. This marked Iran's first direct assault on Israeli territory. Additionally, early Sunday, Iranians once again flooded the streets of Tehran following Iran's retaliatory attacks on Israel the previous night. Some demonstrators, as reported by news agency AFP, were heard chanting "Death to Israel" and "Death to America" in Tehran's Palestine Square following the operation carried out by the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps against Israel. A large crowd was observed waving Iranian and Palestinian flags outside the British Embassy in Tehran. Participants joined the celebration in various ways, including driving vehicles, honking horns, waving flags, launching fireworks, lighting flares, and cheering and chanting while on foot. With this act, we can have some of that strong revenge. We hope this attack continues to the point that Israel is destroyed, said one unnamed Iranian citizen. On Saturday night, Iran launched hundreds of kamikaze drones and cruise missiles towards Israel, resulting in explosions heard across the country. The Israel Defense Forces confirmed that over 300 drones and missiles were launched with an interception rate of 99%. IDF spokesperson Daniel Hagari emphasized the Iranian threat was met with the Israel Defense Forces' aerial and technological superiority along with a robust coalition which together intercepted the majority of the threats. Iran Sunday also warned Israel of a larger attack on its territory should it choose to retaliate. Our response will be much larger than tonight's military action if Israel retaliates against Iran, Armed Forces Chief of Staff Major General Mohammad Bagheri told the state TV. He also said that the United States has also been warned against any backing of Israeli retaliation as it would result in American bases being destroyed. The attack on Saturday is apparently a retaliation to what Iran called an Israeli strike on its consulate in Syria's Damascus on April 1 that killed 7 IRGC officers. However, Israel has neither confirmed nor denied responsibility for the consulate attack.